Hello students, in the last video I taught you about different types of numbers like odd number, even number, prime number, composite number. In this video I will be making you understand about factors and multiples. I am not going to tell you any definition and anything. I am going to tell you how you will be thinking. As I said to you, you don't need to learn anything. You have to apply everything. In your life, you don't need to mug up any definitions. You have to understand everything and you have to apply those things in your life. So likewise, you don't need to learn the definition, and whatever is written over here, these are not definitions. These are the way you have to think. What is a factor? Factors are the numbers which divides a given number. Like suppose 100 is given. How you will be knowing what are the factors of 100? So you divide 100 with 1. First you have to divide it with 1. If you will be dividing it with 1, you will be getting the same 1, and whatever quotient you will be getting, with that you need to divide. So 1 and 100, with 1 and 100, this 100 is divided. So your next factor will be coming in between 1 and 100. So borderline has been made up. Below 1, you don't need to do anything, and after 100, you don't need to do anything. So in between 1 and 100, you will be finding your next factor. So after 1, what will be coming? 2. 250 is 100. 50, whatever quotient has come, with that you need to divide. So 2 and 50 are the next factors. Now again borderline has been set up. Now your borderline is after 2 and before 50. You don't need to do after 51. You don't need to do, because that borderline has been set up. If you will be doing anything, you will not be getting any response. You will not be getting any answer. So no need to do anything. So in between 2 and 50, you have to do. So if you will be doing with 3, if you will be dividing 100 with 3, you will not be getting the answer. It is not divisible at all. With 4, with 4, you have divided this 100 and you got the answer 25. So 25 4 ja, so 4 and 25. Now again borderline has been set up in between 4 and 25. Next 5. 5 20 ja 100. 25 ja 100. 5 20. Again borderline has been set up in between 5 and 20. With 6, if you will be dividing 100, you will not be getting answer. 7, you will not be getting answer. 8, you will not be getting answer. Now 9, you will not be getting answer. 10. 10 10 ja 100. Both are same. So you need to write only one. So these are the factors. These are the factors with which 100 can be divided. 100 is divided by 1, 100, 2, 50, 4, 25, 5, 20 and 10. These are the numbers which divides hundreds. So the number which divides a particular number, a given number, that number is the factor of the given number. That's what is written over here. Now come to multiples. Before coming to multiples, I am giving you another example. First, what you need to do? You have to divide it by 1. So whatever quotient has come, with that you need to divide. So 13 ka first two factors you have got 1 and 13. Now border has been set up in between 1 and 13. In between 1 and 13. In between 1 and 13 you will be getting the answer. You try with 2, it will not be divided. Try with 3, it will not be divided. 5, not be divided. It will not be divided with any other number. Why? Because this 13 is a prime number. This 13 is a prime number. The factor of any prime number is 1 and itself. So this is factor. Now come to multiples. Multiples means what? You know, all of you know tables. So suppose I have given you 5. Tell me the tables of 5. 5 1 ja 5 0 ja 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. The way you used to speak, say, keep on saying. 5 0 ja 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30. Keep on saying, keep on saying. So these are the multiples of 5. Take another example. Now you will be saying, sir, in factor you have shown me a prime number. This is also a prime number. Now I am telling you about composite number. 4 is a composite number. Tell me the table. 4 0 ja 0, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28. Keep on saying, that is the multiple. So these are the multiples of. So this is the way you need to find out the multiples. I hope you have understood factors and multiples. If you are having any problem, keep on reviewing that video again and again. You will be understanding. You don't need to look at the books. Apply your mind. Try to understand in your mind. You will be getting all the answers of your queries. Even if you are having any difficulty, write in the comment section. I'll be responding to that. Thank you, beta.